Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last night I was in a live and they were coloring and they were talking about different coloring books you can get, but there was something that I noticed while they were coloring, and I ordered Magical Delights from Klara Markova last night at about 11 o'clock on Amazon. It is 6:52 p.m. now and it just came, so that was pretty good turnaround time. This Klara Markova does a lot of different fantasy type coloring books, but check this out. It is a hardback book and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And they have different books on there if you're not into the pixies and fairies and all that stuff, but as you all know from our fairy garden things we make, I'm very much into them. But check out this book. Oh, and you get a little bookmark that you can color. But the great thing about it is the back side of each page, or the opposite side of the one you're working on, is blank. And if you so choose, you don't have to color in the background. You can use this for doodling in, taking notes in, or whatever on your colored piece. You can watercolor on these pages, but I'm not going to guarantee it won't come through. I don't know about markers yet. I haven't tried them on this particular book. I would suggest if you're going to watercolor, either take it out or put it something in between these two sheets, like a piece of heavy cardstock or something, just to be sure, just to be safe. You can try it, and if it's not bleeding through, then you can remove it. But I thought this would be perfect for like a shut-in, or just somebody that likes to journal and color, because they can bring two things they love together at once. They can design their own journal in the colors they choose to make it, and use the prompts that they want. If they wanted to go to something other than fairies and stuff, they have a floral one coming out, and I have that on order. It isn't out yet, but I've already ordered it, and it was like $10. I think this one was like 20 something, but I think it's going to be cute. I think it's going to be a great idea, and like I said, I ordered it to take on the trip with me this weekend, so that when I'm in the hotel room I have something to do, because I'm not taking my laptop with me because I have to check my bag this time. So I love that hummingbird. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? There's all kinds of great pictures in here of different things, and it's going to be time consuming to color these kind of pictures, but it is also very, very, very relaxing, and it frees your mind up from worrying about different things and thinking about things you can't change anyway. So I'm going to have fun with this, and I can't wait for the other ones to come in. And who knows, I may even buy some more of these to give as gifts, because I just think they're perfect. I know some people who would really enjoy these. So, hey look, you even get these little doors you can take out. Hey, are you altering a book for a fairy garden? There's your doors. Don't cut them out of your books, people. Make a copy. Now you can cut them out if you want to. It's your book. Anyway, I just wanted to share it with you, and I hope you guys will think about it. And this is Magical Delights by Klara Markova, and I am going to be starting to do some coloring on my channel. It's something I've always done. I've always loved doing it. I probably have 200 coloring books, but I've just never done them on my channel because I didn't think there would be a demand for it. But like I said earlier, I'm getting away from things that everybody else is doing and going back to what I like to do. So this is going to be part of it. I will be doing some coloring on my channel. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. And it is Magical Delights by Klara Markova. And I did get this one on Amazon, but do a web search. You might be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.